ما في الماهد لكن إنشي في الماهد لكن
Oh my god I'm not Cristiano Ronaldo, you know.
Hey there.
لا تبغى
عندي بنات كريستيانو رونالدو اسمه سيرجينيكو فرما من نجار.
وباتلي قال لك.
My gosh, me beautiful.
Yes, you are. We're not gonna do mama.
No, me beautiful, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Me beautiful, no beautiful me. Oh.
No, you are. Oh my god. And you know, መጀመሪያ ሳይ ማለት ነው ይሄድሽ ከሌላ ፕላኔት ነው ቢያሰ
Me beautiful, no beautiful me. No, me not beautiful. Seriously. You say
you are not beautiful?
No, I'm beautiful man. My gosh.
Why?
First time girl you say you beautiful. Oh my god. ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ነው ቆንጆ ነው ያተባልኩኝ.
So I'm lucky. እድለኛ ነኝ ማለት ነው.
Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah,
you're beautiful, okay?
Oh, thank you very much.
Jaffee.
Okay, thank you very much. Ciao. I see you. Thank you, my friend. Oh my gosh, she's so quick. My gosh. Oh, Sarah ደግሞ ተደወለ. Hello?
Jaffee.
Oi, tutto a posto?
Bene, fikir.
Halo, Les. Salam no?
Hello, bikini man.
Oh my gosh. And then this?
Hello, awake?
Arela wakushim.
ወይኔ ማን እኔ ብዙ ጊዜ ጻፍኩልክ ኮቴክስ ታረኩልክ
በምን
እንደ ዩቲዩብ ላይ አሁን ቀደም ላይ ባስገባኝ ብዬ ጽፌልክ ነበር የኔ ፍቅር
Oh my gosh ምኑ ፍቅር
ያ እንደ ምን ነው ብዙ ጊዜ እኮ ጽፍልካለሁ ቴክስቴን ያረክ ነው
You kill me? What is it?
በእውነት
You kill me? Seriously you?
በጣም ነው የምወድክ የኔማር
Seriously ነው እንደነትሽ ነው ይቀልድሽ ነው እኔ ውሸት መስሎኛል እኮ እንዴ በእናትሽ
No seriously እንዴ እኔ ብዙ ጊዜ ጻፍኩልክ I just know በጣም ነው የምወድክ እኔ ከእንግላንድ ነው ዩኬ ነው የምኖረው ጎረቤትክ ማለት ነው
Oh my gosh you from UK?
Oh UK ጅማ ልጅ ነኝ ግን UK ነው የምኖረው
You UK?
እኔ እንግሊዝ ለንደን ነው የምኖረው
Oh my gosh how old are you?
እድሜ እንኳን ብዙም አንለያይም ካንተ ጋር ይመስለኛል እኮ ያማች እናረጋለን
Okay you can talk with me English you know what I'm saying you talk English
Yeah okay if you don't mind I can speak to you
You know Shangulit?
What do you mean by Shangulit?
Shangulit, Tom and Jerry. You know Tom and Jerry?
I know Tom and Jerry. I used to sew them when I was a kid.
I love it, Tom and Jerry.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Oh my God, Sarah. Oh, first time you say people, girl, she's come with my telegram, Sarah.
Yeah, and even I use your picture for my telegram.
Oh my gosh, your picture?
Yeah, sometimes, you know, because I really love you. I'm in love with you.
I see you after Corona.
Of course, I can come and visit you.
You come my home?
Yeah, of course.
No. My home, no. Just you know, like in the which one?
Let me ask you one question, Jaffee.
Okay.
My love.
Okay.
Which village you were in, Jimma? I used to live in Shawaber.
Okay.
I forget the other Kulober.
Okay.
Do you know Faranjarada in Jimma?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. I used to live in there for 2 years.
Okay.
I know you very well.
Okay.
I love you because you are from Jimma.
Okay.
Do you want to come to London?
Oh my gosh, I don't have people for coming in London, you know what I'm saying?
I can't take you. I can marry you.
You marry me?
Of course, I can take you. If you want to come, I come and I will sign for you as my husband.
Okay.
And you will come to London and you will live with me.
Okay.
But I'm not joking, Jaffa, please. I am serious.
No. You beautiful, not beautiful. I need girl beautiful, no half board.
I am beautiful,
no half board.
I have no board.
Yeah.
I am, I'm skinny.
You nursing.
I'm not fat.
You doctor nursing.
I'm not fat. I'm learning in university now. But you say I love Samri.
No. My gosh, I am Wallah. No Samri, please. Another question, another Samri.
I heard you were saying no one is like Samri for me.
Oh.
But I love you.
You love Samri?
No. I don't like Samri.
Okay.
I don't love Samri. I just love you.